This video is about probability distributions. A probability distribution shows the probabilities of all the possible outcomes from an experiment. The distribution could be given in a table or as a graph called a histogram. Here we roll two dice. You may recognize the first table as the sample space listing the outcomes. The second table shows the sums from each roll. At the bottom is a probability distribution table. It shows each sum and the probability of each. Those probabilities can be put into a graph called a histogram. The bottom shows the outcomes, while the left shows the probabilities of each sum. You can use a probability distribution to find a mean. This is similar to a weighted mean and can be called the expected value. Here I multiply the probability by the value or sum. I add the results together to get 6.81. In previous sections, we calculated standard deviation and had to create a table to do so. Here is the same type of table. The first column is the data or sums. The second column is data minus the mean of 6.81. In the third column, we square the results. These numbers are always positive. I listed the probability of each outcome in the fourth column. To get the last column, I multiplied the third and fourth columns. 23.1361 times 0.03 is 0.694083. Below, we add up the column. Remember that this could be called the variance. Last, we take the square root and have the standard deviation. Make sure you can get all the same numbers. You may have some variation for rounding. Hopefully your problems won't have this many different outcomes.